immediately.
Go bananas for bananas! Adorable, squishy, collectible characters hidden inside tropical fruit. Bananas come in bunches, and there are bunches to collect. Pick a banana off the bunch. Peel it open, and look! There's an adorable Crushie inside. It's Lucy Leopard, so squishy and cute. There's even more inside. Each banana Crushie comes with 2 mini squishy friends, gemstone stickers, a collector sheet, Crushie sticker, and a vine. And you can make them even prettier with sparkly gemstones. Set your characters on their vines and connect them together to make a whole jungle full